We gonna try it again? Alright, let's see if we can do it, okay? So Graham thinks it's really hilarious when Daddy coughs. Ready? Is that good? One more time? Look at Camden. Camden is currently not enjoying the laughter. She is holding onto my leg. Hey Camden, don't you think this is funny? Bubba. One more time? This is so funny. Oh, Grammars, you're hilarious, buddy. I love you. Can you say, I just ate a gallon of broccoli and a half gallon of nectarines? Camden, you're ridiculous. I love you, but you're ridiculous. She's like attached to my leg here. This is what happens when Daddy has two kids by himself. One attaches her to his leg, and one thinks that coughing is hilarious. Buddy, alright, that's enough, I think. Bye, Graham. Say bye-bye.